Here at Lloyd Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender P400e XS Edition, finished in Santorini Black metallic paint, with 20-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include matrix LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, side-mounted gear carrier, and below the rear bumper we can see the electrically deployable tow bar. As we enter now behind the rear door, we have the load space with the 40/20/40 rear folding seats. As we enter into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the panoramic roof from the inside, and we have the khaki grained leather seats with centre armrest, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and on the centre console we can see the rear climate controls and USB sockets. Entering now into the front of the cabin, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card, and turning in we can see the heated and cooled electric front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the cruise controls with the heated steering wheel button, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated and cooled seat controls, and a 3D surround camera system, which also comes with towing assist. And on the center console we have the climate controls with right eye buttons and gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.